Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the forecast chart of Euro dollar, and as you can see that Euro USD is trading in a very narrow range right now. And if you look at the overall chart of Euro USD, then it is quite natural because no market goes up in a straight line, no market goes down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern. So consolidation is just a part of the game, and right now Euro USD is consolidating. But if you look at the overall chart, then we cannot deny the fact that Euro USD is an uptrend right now, and right now market is taking risk. If you look at the chart of DXY US dollar index, then we can see that dollar index, after making a low of 99.57, it is trying to recover. DXY dollar index is standing at 100.03 right now, though it is trying to go up. Okay, do not consider this as a trend reversal. If you see few green candles also, do not forget that this is just a temporary upside. DXY is trying to recover, but the overall trend of DXY dollar index is still very much bearish. Sellers are dominating. We need a fundamental factor. We need a news that will bring a trend reversal on the chart. In case market price to scale higher, then 100.80 to 101 will be the next big resistance, where sellers will not be very lenient on buyers. The sellers will try to push the market down. So this is the next big resistance on DXY, and this is the range of DXY right now. Let's wait and watch how DXY performs in the coming days. And if we talk about Euro USD, then as I said, that right now Euro USD is trading in a very narrow range here, as a result of which we do not have much to talk about, because the number of trading opportunities are very less. But yes, there is a good possibility, good chance that within the next few days there will be a big breakout, because volatility in the market always shifts. Market always move from high volatility to lower volatility, and lower volatility to higher volatility. Right now market is low volatile. That doesn't mean that market will always remain low volatile. See, low volatile market are also known as money making bombs. So yes, you need to keep your one eye on Euro USD. So this is chart prime, my dear friends, and these are the signals generated by chart prime last week. We can see that as Euro USD is trading in a very narrow range right now, as a result the number of signals are little less from the market oracle pro. But we can see that prime oscillator pro is doing a fine job. Okay, it is generating signals, and more or less you can scalp on these signals. My dear friends, those who don't know about chart prime is a custom indicator rocking the trading community right now. They have three powerful indicators: Market Oracle Pro, Market Dynamics Pro, and Prime Oscillator Pro. Market Oracle Pro not only generates buy and sell signal on the chart, but it also helps us with the trend of the market. This is the trend assistant, the green line here. And the lines you can see on the middle of the chart are the dynamic support resistances. So you don't need to be dependent on moving averages if you have these lines on the chart. Okay, and apart from Market Oracle Pro, the Prime Oscillator Pro not only generates the overbought and oversold signals like RSI, but it also marks the divergences for you, so that you don't miss the momentum trading. Apart from that, it also generates buy and sell signals on the basis of the overbought and oversold conditions. You can see here the red arrows at the top, okay, marks that you can go for a quick sell, and the green arrows at the bottom, you can see that the oscillator says that you can go for a buy. And the third is the Market Dynamics Pro. Let me show you. So this is Market Dynamics Pro. You can see that it detects chart patterns for you, and if you are a smart money concept trader, then this indicator does everything for you. You can see the change of character, breakout structure, order box, everything. The indicator does all the job for you. So it doesn't matter whether you are looking for buy and sell signal on the chart, or you are simply trying to elevate your game, simply trying to improve your analysis. Chart prime is a very useful tool. Right now chart prime is giving a 30% off. Right now you can scan the QR code on the screen. You can also click on the I button on the screen, or you can also check out the link in the description. Feel free to check them out. The range of Euro USD is 1.1276 and 1.1200 to 1.1210. This is the range of Euro USD right now. And as long as market is low volatile, you can buy at support, sell at resistance. Apart from this, you have no other trading strategy to follow. During the day, if you see that market is taking support around 1.1200 or 1.120510, simply go to 15 minutes time frame. If you see that the market is taking support and going up, simply go for a buy with your stop loss below 1.1200. But yes, do not forget to follow risk management, okay, because market is already inside this range for quite some time. So yes, the breakout is coming very soon. So if market bounces for a support, go for a buy. On the other hand, if market goes up and hits 1.1275, 1.1280 level, do not take a buy position immediately. Wait for the market to react. If you see that market is showing price rejection from above like the previous times, you'll get the confirmation that the volatility is still have not arrived yet, and you can look for a sell. If market reverses from the resistance, you can simply go for a sell. So decide, okay, observe the volatility, then only you'll get the answer. And if you're wondering how to observe the volatility, observe the size of the candles. If you see that market is going up with big green candles, means market has volume and you should not go for a sell. Use your common sense. But on the other hand, if you see that market has hit the resistance level but the size of the candles are not very big enough, the market is showing price rejection from above, you will get the confirmation that yes, sellers are present around resistance and there's a chance that market will be going down. In that case, you can look for a sell. But as I said, as already market is in range for quite some time, so it is little bit risky. So follow strict risk management. Try to risk only 1 to 1.5% of your capital, okay. And for additional confirmation, you can also look at the chart of DXY US dollar index as well. And if you look at the economic calendar, then you can see that today we have a news coming up on US dollar, but this is not a big news, big event that will bring trend reversal on dollar chart, okay. But still there may be some volatility for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, so you need to be careful. And as long as Euro USD is trading inside the range here, you can also switch to the 15 minutes time frame also. As long as market trading inside the range here, you can simply use 15 minutes time frame and the RSI as well. If market is at resistance, observe the RSI. If RSI is also overbought at the same time, then you can consider a sell. On similarly, if market is at support and you see that RSI is at oversold level, you can also consider a buy. So these RSI can be an additional confirmation if you want to use it, okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. The number of trading opportunities are very less, so please be careful. You can also switch to other charts. This is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. My dear friends, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As always, be a trader, not a gambler. Bye-bye. Take care.